Dear students, in my last video I explained to you the objectives of paper number 11. From today onwards we will learn the modules included in your paper. The first module is language and communication, in which there are 2 points: definition and characteristics of language. Second point is human and animal communication system. On this module short notes will be asked. There will be 3 short notes, out of which you have to write 2 short notes. Each short notes will be for 5 marks. Let's first begin with the subpoint definition and characteristics of language. In Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, the meaning of language is given as a system of communication in speech and writing that is used by people of a particular country or area. For example, the Marathi language. In this definition, there are 4 key terms: system of communication, speech and writing by people and particular country. You know that language is a system of communication. It means that we communicate with each other with the help of language. So it is used as a means for communication. And how do we communicate? We communicate in 2 forms: by speaking or by writing. So language is used to communicate with people. People communicate with each other with the help of language. This communication system is used by a group of people in a particular area, region or a country. For example, Marathi language is used by people who lives in Maharashtra region. So the person who lives and knows Punjabi language, Punjabi region, who lives in Punjabi region, may not be able to understand Marathi language. So language becomes the characteristics of that particular region where the people live and they use that language. So this is a very systematic definition. We are going to learn more definitions of language in my next videos. Thank you.